In this video, we're going to show you how to use API integrations to sync affiliate data with CRMs in just a few simple steps. Whether you're managing multiple affiliate partnerships or just looking to streamline your workflow, syncing your affiliate data with your CRM can save you tons of time and headaches. And by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get it done. Let's start with the basics. API integrations are a powerful tool that allow different software applications to talk to each other and share data. When it comes to syncing affiliate data with CRMs, this means that instead of manually entering data from your affiliate programs into your CRM, you can set up an API integration to automate the process. This makes it easier to track leads, sales, commissions, and everything else related to your affiliate marketing efforts. First, you'll want to choose a CRM that supports API integrations. There are plenty of CRM options out there, but not all of them support the level of integration you need for affiliate data syncing. If you're using a popular CRM like HubSpot, Salesforce, or Zoho, they all have robust API capabilities that can connect with your affiliate platforms. We'll be using a CRM that's perfect for this in this tutorial, and I'll share a link in the description below for an exclusive free trial of the software we're using. Next, you'll need to identify your affiliate platform. Most affiliate platforms, like ShareASale, Rakuten, or even in-house affiliate programs, offer API access. Check their documentation to see how you can use their API to export affiliate data. You'll be looking for things like lead and sale tracking, commission data, and other affiliate performance metrics. Once you have your CRM and affiliate platform in place, the next step is setting up the API connection. Usually, you'll find a section for API integrations in the settings of both the CRM and your affiliate platform. What you need to do here is generate API keys from both platforms and enter them into each other's API setup. With the keys in place, the next part is creating the actual data sync. You'll configure the CRM to automatically pull in data from your affiliate platform, mapping the data fields like lead information, sale dates, and commissions to the appropriate fields in your CRM. This step is crucial because it ensures that everything from affiliate sales to customer details is automatically organized within your CRM. Depending on the software you're using, you may have the option to set up custom triggers or workflows. For example, you might want to set up an automation where a new lead from an affiliate automatically gets assigned to a specific sales rep, or where a commission update is logged into your CRM's financial reports. These customizations will save you even more time by automating repetitive tasks. Once everything is connected and set up, make sure to test the API integration. Run a few tests to make sure the affiliate data is syncing correctly with your CRM. You should be able to see new leads, sales, and commission updates flowing into your CRM in real time. The key takeaway from this video is that API integrations are a game changer for syncing affiliate data with CRMs. With just a few simple steps, choosing the right CRM, setting up API keys, mapping the data fields, and testing the integration, you can fully automate the process and free up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. So remember, don't overlook the power of API integrations to streamline your affiliate management. Be sure to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below for the software we used in this tutorial, and follow along to start syncing your affiliate data effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.